In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find the intersection, union, and how to draw Venn diagrams for two sets. If you were to ask me if I like coffee, that would be a yes. If you were to ask me if I like donuts, that would also be a yes. But if you were to ask me if I like my donuts dipped in my coffee, that's another story. What I described there is intersection. So if we had a circle here that represents all the people that like coffee, and say we interviewed 25 people. If 14 of those 25 people like coffee, and if 17 of those 25 people like donuts, and 10 people say they like both. Using this information, how can we complete the Venn diagram for these two sets? When completing Venn diagrams, we always want to start at the center where the two circles overlap. That area is called the intersection, and this is your symbol for intersection. There are 10 in the overlap, so 10 goes in the center here. Now, where students often make a mistake is they say, oh, this is the coffee circle, 14 like coffee, so I'll put 14 here. And that is incorrect. The reason is the entire circle of everything inside circle C must add up to 14. Everyone who likes coffee. So everyone that likes coffee is 14. This part is 10, meaning this part out here has to be 4. So what the 4 represents is all of the people that like coffee that do not like donuts. Now let's find all of the people that like donuts but don't like coffee. So there's a total of 17 people that like donuts. 10 of them also like coffee. 17 minus 10 is 7. We aren't quite done with this Venn diagram because we need to figure out if we have all of our 25 people. 4 plus 10 is 14 plus 7, that's only 21 people. So in other words, we have 4 people that aren't accounted for in these circles, and those 4 should be on the outside of the circles but within the rectangular Venn diagram. So when you're all done with your Venn diagram, you should be able to add up all the values, and that should represent the entire amount of people or objects that you're dealing with. So I mentioned the intersection is found in the overlap of the circles, but what is union? The union is everything inside all of the circles combined. So that's the 4, 10, and 7, the 21. I'm going to cover how to write everything from this problem in set notation. First, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. My next video in the series will explain the reasoning behind and how to draw 3 sets or 3 circles in Venn diagrams. Now let's look at the set notation. In set notation, rewrite in front of parentheses to stand for the number of elements in that set. So the number of elements in set C, meaning all the people that like coffee, is 14. The number of elements in set D is 17. That's all the people that like donuts. And the number of elements in C intersect D, all the people that like both, is 10. The number of elements in C union D is 21, which is everything that we see within circles C and D added together. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to subscribe so that you do not miss the next video in the series. And thank you for watching.